So yeah, I am really sorry that the last 2 vlogs have been really negative. It was not the intention, and really it's just that is supposed to be a reflection of what's actually going on in my life, which means I'm actually telling you. And right now, I just have a lot going on. I hope you guys are okay with that. Like, I don't want to sugarcoat things and come off as fake and sit and be like, I'm going to work today when I'm not going to work because I wrecked my car. Anyways, I'm also really sorry that like there have not been videos coming up. I am about to seriously spend all day editing as many videos as I can. It's my day off. The clinic is closed, so I can't go to the chiropractor. So I'm just gonna try and edit as much as I can. Hopefully not burn out on editing. But yeah, I'm gonna edit. I should probably go get food. I've literally woken up, brushed my teeth, and taken Daisy outside. Have not been up very long at all. So I'm gonna get breakfast first and turn on a fan in here because it's a little muggy. Let's go. Upload for the vlog, or one of the vlogs that I'm behind in. Yeah, I have worse cold right now and I feel really great. It's just super great. I've been super awesome sinus drainage going on, like snotting all over myself everywhere. Literally started in the middle of the grocery store, and so I was just like, yep, just snot everywhere. Got a nice pleasant cough going on. Yeah, I just feel super great. Yeah, so I'm gonna start this upload and I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed and I'm gonna stay in bed until I have to go to work.